To be honest, the three most important questions in my job are: how much will it cost? How long will it take? And is it the best quality? So yes, if a manufacturer can help me achieve that, I'm all for it. Recently, I needed to plan and prepare the installation of the elevators at my construction site. So I saved a lot of time and effort using Otis dashboard. I knew exactly where and when the parts were coming. Otis online tools assist me at every step on the project. Gen360 has made such a difference in every aspect, even the cost. Do you have any idea how much it costs to build and waterproof a protrusion on the roof? It's just crazy. So removing constraints is always good news to me.